In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase part of an image in Canva. Start by heading to Canva in your browser or opening the Canva app. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your designs. From the home screen, open an existing design or create a new one with any size you prefer. The size won't affect the cropping process, so choose whatever fits your project. Next, bring in the image you want to edit. You can upload a photo from your device or pick one from Canva's built-in library. Drag the image onto your canvas and position it where you want it to appear in the layout. Click the image once to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a border around it, and the top toolbar changes to show image options. With the image selected, look at the toolbar above your canvas and find the crop option. Click crop to enter cropping mode. Your image will now show adjustable handles around the edges and corners, and the rest of the interface may dim slightly so you can focus on the part you're keeping. To erase the part you don't want, drag the side or corner handles inward to trim away the unwanted areas. Think of it as framing only the portion you want visible. You can also click and drag the image inside the frame to reposition it, which is useful when you want to keep a precise subject centered while removing the edges. If you crop too tightly, don't worry, drag the handles back out to reveal more of the image. For accuracy, zoom in for fine adjustments and use the guides and edges of the frame to keep horizons and lines straight. When you're happy with the result, apply the crop by pressing Enter or clicking Done. Your canvas will now show only the part of the image you kept, effectively erasing the trimmed portion from view in your design. If you change your mind, you can always select the image again, re-enter crop, and adjust it further or use undo to step back. A quick tip: cropping removes content at the edges. If you're trying to remove a specific object inside the photo, consider using Canva's other editing tools designed for background or object removal. But for simply trimming out a section, the crop method is fast, clean, and keeps your layout under control. And that's it. You've just erased part of an image in Canva by cropping with confidence, precision, and a few simple adjustments.